Erroneous Supreme Court halts Calcutta HC order staying OBC list issued by Bengal government in a major relief to the West Bengal government. The Supreme Court on Monday stayed the Calcutta High Court's interim order that had put a hold on the state's OBC list. A bench led by Chief Justice B.R. Govt observed that the High Court's directive was prima facie erroneous and questioned its basis, asking, "How could the High Court have done that?" The top court also issued a notice on the West Bengal government's plea challenging the High Court's order. On July 24, 2025, the Supreme Court expressed reservations over the Calcutta High Court's decision to stay the West Bengal government's move to finalize a new list of other backward classes OBCs in the state. Chief Justice of India B.R. Govt noted that judicial precedent, dating back to the landmark Indira Sawhney judgment of 1992, permits the identification of backward classes through executive orders rather than requiring legislation. Appearing for the West Bengal government, senior advocate Kapil Sibal informed the court that the state was even facing contempt proceedings initiated by the High Court over the issue. He explained that a writ petition had been filed before the High Court, challenging the state's authority to revise the OBC list without legislative backing. Acting on that petition, the High Court had stayed the state's OBC listing exercise on June 17. Swipe left for next video. Sibal told the Apex Court, "The High Court orders came on the writ petition saying classification of backward classes should be on the basis of a legislation that we state has to legislate this morning. The case was listed for contempt." In response, the CJI observed that the classification of backward classes can be done by executive instructions and reaffirmed that this principle has been upheld since the Indira Sawhney ruling. The Supreme Court then scheduled the matter for further hearing on July 28, which eventually brought relief for the Bengal government. Latest blogs